But you can't knock it for variety. In the south we've got glorious sunshine, hot sunshine, and temperatures already up into 26, 27 degrees Celsius, and yet further north we've had heavy rain and also some flood problems. One of the wettest places in 3 hours, Estelmuir, saw 27 millimetres of rain. That's just over an inch of rain falling in such a short space of time. And we still have a warning now of heavier bursts of rain for northern Scotland, continuing for the rest of the afternoon, with some thunder as well, and a further risk of some local flooding. Now that rain's beginning to move away from Northern Ireland, but it's certainly gathering itself as it moves across a good part of Scotland, pushing its way steadily northwards, so hopefully the southern half of Scotland should dry up for a while, and that rain band, as I mentioned, giving some heavier bursts at times. Now the satellite picture does show the clearer skies further south. There is some low cloud and mistness in the northeast of England, and the same in the far southwest, but between the two, a lot of fine dry weather and a lot of lovely sunshine as well, with a top temperature up at around 28 degrees Celsius, that's 82 degrees Fahrenheit, but cooler further north. 18 in Northern Ireland and between 14 and 17 degrees across a large part of Scotland. Well, the reason for that rain is an area of low pressure. It does start to move, and as it travels its way across the United Kingdom into the North Sea, it pulls in northwesterly winds. So that's going to take the edge off those temperatures, and they'll be back down to the more seasonal average of around 21 as the best by tomorrow. And then into the middle part of the week, we start to see these weather fronts trying to get in from the west. They're not making rapid progress, so I think many sheltered eastern areas and in the south will hold on to some quite pleasant, bright and also dry weather. So overnight tonight, that rain band continuing its journey steadily northwards and away into the North Sea. Perhaps a risk of a few showers developing over France, and they'll drift into the southeast of England in the second half of the night, and a risk of the odd rumble of thunder through the night here as well. Overnight temperatures, well, a bit different than last night's warmth. 8 in the north, but some of the cities seeing a much cooler night, a much more comfortable night's sleep. 12 or 13, the lowest temperatures. Now tomorrow we are going to see some more rain over many areas, rather misty and grey in the south, but here brightening up through the morning into the afternoon. And aside from a few showers, we'll see temperatures up to 21 in that sunshine. And then by Wednesday, well, more persistent rain trying to get in from the west, but for a good part of the United Kingdom, it should be basically dry with some warm sunshine after any mistiness. Now, if you think our weather's been bad, we look across into Europe to find some very unsettled weather. Here in Palermo in Sicily, we've seen a huge amount of rain, almost 14.5 inches of rain in 2 days. But the good news, if you're heading for this part of Europe, it's turning more showery and a little bit drier. Bye for now.